happening? What the? Oh, fucking hell. 2 directions, lady. Fuck.
Is 8.0658 times 10 to the 60. In comparison, the observable
What is this? What are you doing? Moron. Buddy, I'm also turning.
They're turning faster.
Yeah, I fucking guess so. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, okay.
This out. You can't just file a record request and say, give me everything you want.
And I just wanted to, for the sake of all of us Earthlings out there.
However, hi. That's not how that works, man. Over shit just in her fucking dining room?
Yeah.
Because, like, we brought it all back after the shoot and we just fucking plopped it in her house. Jesus, man. Alright, just everybody just walking the street when they're not supposed to, that's fine. I'm certainly just gonna walk across the middle of the whole damn intersection right now. Look at this. They just did this to me and now they're doing it to them. Look at this.
Can we play stuff to 8 hours in advance?
Do you wanna be there to see how I turn out? I'm a little kid and so one-way street, dude. Don't you go and grow up before I do. Okay. There's so many levels of wrong with that. I don't know, man. Okay.
Left onto LaGrange Street.
The light is red.
Huh. He said, I don't give a rat's ass.
Oh my gosh, people. Okay. Oh God, look! Oh, hi, friend.
Hello, deer.
There's more deer.
more
There's
deer.
3 more deer. Oh dear.
There they go.
Hi, deer.
Alright, how far are you from the median? Huh?
I got it. I made it.
You made it through the median?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, just go the back way and see if that's better. A lot of people on Facebook are saying the back road is better.